2016 Acura ILX. We're going to reset the maintenance reminder because we just changed the oil in this car. You're going to do it at the radio. Alright, so over here at the radio, you're looking at hitting you're going to use the wheel, enter, but hit settings, okay? And when you hit settings, you're going to go into the settings menu and use the wheel and find vehicle settings and hit enter. And once you're here, you're going to scroll down so you see maintenance reset. Okay, it's going to be one of the last ones right here. Hit enter. Then on the wheel itself, we are going to just go ahead and press this guy down like that. And as you want to reset, hit yes. Scroll over to reset. That should change to 100%. And you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment. If you have a question, you can leave in the comment box below. And if you want to see more Acura content, please hit subscribe.